Known as the land of the gods, rich in tradition and culture, blessed with a beautiful sceneries and bountiful nature, and a dream destination to many. Pero bago natin simulan ang exciting adventure, in this vlog, we will run through the requirements and the process in flying out mula Pilipinas papuntang Bali. Thank you. Thank you po. Salamat. Sa check-in, dalawa yung mga hahanapin. First is your vaccination record with booster shot. Second is the downloaded Pidoli Lindungi app on your mobile phone. For other travel requirements na hahanapin upon arrival in Bali are 1. An international travel insurance with COVID coverage. But on my case, di naman ako hinanapan. Also, you need to prepare as well an e-custom declaration QR code which can be completed online. I opted to fly with Singapore Airlines since they offer the cheapest flight to Bali compared to our local airlines. Though it's not a direct flight cause may layover pa sa Singapore for a couple of hours, but the good thing is you can save a lot. Syempre dun tayo sa tipid. After check-in, they will be providing tickets from Philippines to Singapore, then Singapore to Bali. For your check-in baggage, sa Bali mo na siya kukunin. So yung hassle lang talaga is yung layover. Morning.
Good morning, sir. This side, please. Good morning.
If you like, you can also put it on the system. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye, take care.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. good afternoon.
Can I go to the very back of the plane?
Four, three. 65 G. Here?
Yep.
Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Upon arrival, prior the immigration process, dadaan sa mga thermal scanners for body temperature check. And as per protocol, if you have high body temperature, you will be required to undergo RT-PCR testing and necessary measures thereafter. Pero kung cleared naman, pwede nang dumiretso sa immigration counter. Visa-free for Philippine passport holder kaya no need to secure a visa on arrival. After makuha ang bagahe, dadaan ng customs counter for checking. Dito ipapascan yung e-custom declaration QR code. On your exit, you will pass through a lot of foreign exchange counters at the arrival lobby. I suggest magpapalit dito ng Indonesian rupiah na sakto lang for taxi fare and to buy a local SIM card. Take note, mas malaki ang palitan sa center ng Bali. Okay? After magpapalit, pwede nang bumili ng local SIM card to have an internet connection to book a Gojek car. It is like a Grab car in the Philippines but it's cheaper and it's commonly used transportation service in Bali. Medyo nahirapan ako sa paghahanap ng store na bilihan ng local SIM card. I was directed to go to domestic arrival area pa. Hi, good evening. Where can I buy a local SIM card?
You can go to the domestic arrival area, sir. You can follow the round and turn
Left. Okay, thank you. Sir, where can I buy a local SIM card?
SIM card, domestic arrival.
Where will I pass?
You can go in here. Pak, dipun po ba? Bunto kan? Nani.
Which way?
Can go straight.
Okay.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And while on my way to domestic arrival, I came across this local taxi driver. Where is the domestic terminal? Terminal? Yeah. No, domestic terminal.
Why you buy SIM card?
Yeah.
You buy SIM card outside on the way go to hotel more cheaper.
It's okay.
Yeah. Can I be where is the Bali? On the way you must not the SIM card and then go to hotel.
No.
You walk,
Where is the domestic terminal?
domestic there.
Okay.
You walking 10 minutes walking.
It's far from here?
Yes, 10 minutes.
Oh.
Yeah. Can help you. You buy SIM card first in the outside first, and then go to hotel. I give the cheap price for you taxi.
How much?
Where you going?
Seminyak.
Seminyak only 300,000.
Wait, I'll check.
You on the way, you first stop SIM card, and then go to hotel. 300,000 rupiah. Dollar maybe $20. $20. Taxi. No, stop first in the SIM card, and then go to hotel. Yeah, cheaper. Outside more cheaper, and then here, you know, airport everything expensive.
Of course, di ako pumayag cause 300,000 rupiah is way too expensive going to Seminyak, which is like a 20-minute ride from the airport. Actually, di ko magets bakit andito ang store sa domestic arrival. Mostly naman ang bibili ng SIM card ay foreign visitors, right? But then later on, I found out meron naman pala talagang nagbibenta ng local SIM card doon sa international arrival area. Mali lang talaga yung mga taong natanungan ko. For you to have an idea, I availed a SIM card with 15 gig data allowance valid for a month for 300,000 rupiah or almost 1,200 pesos in Philippine conversion. After magkaroon ng internet, I booked a Gojek car to Seminyak for only 120,000 rupiah or 400 plus pesos. O diba, mas mura compared dun sa scammer na nakausap ko. Finally arrived at Amalfi Hotel. As you can see, it's pretty clean and a decent hotel with a good location as well. Actually booked this via Agoda for almost 800 pesos only. Super sulit, diba? Well, basically, na-run through ko kayo sa entire experience ko. And hopefully, sana may nakuha kayong mga travel tips and knowledge sa proseso at mga requirements for you to use if you want to visit Bali, Indonesia. See you on my succeeding vlogs because i-vlog ko the entire Bali travel experience. It's already 10 PM here in Bali, Indonesia right now. So, magpapahinga na ako because tomorrow will be another day. Ayan, and maglilibot tayo dito sa Seminyak bukas. Okay? Okay? Bye guys. Good night.